In today's video, I am going to teach you how to paste in place in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to move elements from one frame to another while keeping their position consistent, so your layouts stay tidy and predictable. Start by opening your design. Have the source frame and the destination frame visible or easy to reach in the Layers panel. This will make switching between them simple and help you confirm you are pasting exactly where you intend. Here is how the default paste in place behavior works. Select the object you want to move and copy it using Command-F on Mac or Control-F on Windows. Next, select the destination frame. Click directly on the frame's title bar on the canvas, or select it in the Layers panel so Figma knows that's where you want to paste. Now paste with Command-F on Mac or Control-F on Windows. Figma will try to maintain the original X and Y coordinates relative to the source frame. In practical terms, if the destination frame is the same size, the object lands in the exact same spot. If the frame is a different size, Figma still uses the same coordinates measured from the top and left edges of that frame, so the element keeps its positional relationship without you needing to nudge it into place. A quick tip to avoid surprises: always confirm you've selected the correct destination frame before pasting. If nothing seems to happen or the object isn't where you expect, check the Layers panel to make sure you haven't pasted into a different frame or onto the page. Selecting the target first gives you precise control. Sometimes you don't want the object to land based on coordinates at all, you want it to appear exactly where your cursor is. That's when Paste Here is perfect. Move your mouse to the exact spot on the canvas where you want the object to go. Right-click and choose Paste Here from the context menu. This drops the copied object precisely at your cursor location, which is great for quick placements or when you are working in a large canvas and don't want to pan around afterward. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.